3 simple steps to make money online, free, no scam. To be honest, I think it is easier to sell anything on the internet than selling from a brick and mortar building. When someone walks into your brick and mortar store, they are not necessarily intending to buy. However, if you are able to connect and engage with an audience that already has their credit card out and are looking to buy your product or service, your chance of selling is much higher. That is the opportunity which the internet presents you. Step 1. Give your product or service a home. Click the link below for a free website. Step 2. Get your product exposed to buyers. Get free training. Join Wealthy Affiliate. Click the link below. Step 3. Get help when you need it. Get free mentoring. Join Wealthy Affiliate. Click the link below. You will have help 24/7, 365 days a year. Sign up now. Click on the links below. 3 simple steps to make money online. Free, no scam.